Tidying up the RV. Oh, for crap. We're enjoying our time out at our RV site, but you still have to keep the place tidy and clean so that you can live in it. And in an RV, if you don't keep it up, then you're tripping over things. And boy, it's a tiny space to live, but ours is pretty luxurious and we're pretty lucky. So now I'm just going to make the bed up, give it a good shake, and straighten the sheets out. So let's get going. Here I'm telling you that I'm not getting into bed. And this is how I have to make my bed, because the cupboards that we use for our clothes take up quite a bit of space where you have to reach in to make the bed. So that's just how I do it. And this is a bedspread that I garage saled it. I got it at a garage sale and I really like it. And yes, it's an old chenille bedspread and I like to have it on our bed in the RV. Well, at this time I would like to welcome you to my channel, and I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'm doing a Sunday home reset in my RV. This is where we live for the summer, so this is our home. And this is a collaboration, and our lovely host is Clarissa, and her YouTube channel is Sunny in the Suburbs. She does all kinds of stuff. She's a wife and she's a homeschooling mama. So don't forget to watch the playlist, which will be in my comments. So let's get on with tidying up this trailer. Gotta do it sometimes. Okay, here we go. These are my goodies on this side. I have my this is my case for my camera and stuff. My laptop for editing. This is garbage. This is a project I brought that I already showed you guys. I'm going to put it down here and then it clears this off better. Excuse me for clearing my throat all the time, but my allergies are quite bad at this time of year, so I'm just trying to cope with it. It's a bowl of fruit. I like to sit on the table. Looks like garbage. This is garbage. Do you want this, Dave? No, I don't really need it. What is this? These are bags we need for the puppy dogs. Okay, let's just get rid of this little bit of garbage. Down below the seats, there's little cupboards where we can put stuff. But they need to be tidied up a bit first. So I'm just going to continue clearing off the table. I got my back right at you. This can go out. I don't know if he wants those. Just had to let my puppy dog back in the house. They have to be tethered out here so they don't run around and bother everybody. That's okay, they're used to it. Napkin, a bowl of fruit can go up here now. This is David's flashlight. I like that stuff left out, I don't know. This is golfing stuff. His wallet and keys that he's going to need. Sunglasses, pen, my phone. I'm sure it's jackknife, not sure. Those are golfing things. Anyhow, I'm going to move this stuff off and give the table a wipe. A couple of days later, I managed to put all the stuff off of David's seat in the cupboards under the seats at the dining table, and it all fit very nicely. Just had to rearrange a few things. And on his seat now he just has his computer and his drawing. So it's even tidier than it looks here. And of course I have dishes. I don't like doing dishes. Sure I'm talking to you. Okay, that's it for now. I got my dishes stacked up and I'm gonna do them when we come back. Okay, we're going to the Roosters Country Marketplace in Magraft. It's just a little grocery store. See what they have in here for fun. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, sure, that's fine. You can have them for dinner. Want two? We can freeze one. Didn't you buy tomatoes? We have tomatoes in the fridge, don't we?
Piece of one because I used it for the hamburger.
Those tomatoes tasted just like fresh. They picked off your vine in your backyard. They were delicious. There's radishes. They had all kinds of little roosters everywhere in this store, and it just looked so cute. So I'd have to video a few of them. Yep. Oh, those look good.
Oh, yeah.
peas.
You want to try one?
Sure, rapini's like a lettuce sort of stuff.
This is spinach and feta.
You guys aren't getting very far.
No.
No, we're enjoying the selection. Oh, there's some ribs too.
Yeah, we just have to move the salsa.
Mm. Dilled bites. Oreo pop. Snickers. No, Twix. Snickers. M&M's. And Butterfinger pop. Let's try a Butterfinger pop. Just for fun. Steaks. That's what it's like in Canada. Our meat is so expensive. Just went to a little store in Magraft, and it's called Roosters, and it was lots of fun. So here's the grocery haul. So we got some Celebration caramel cookies, and David got Twizzlers, different flavors. We got this. These are called pizza sticks. Looks like a bun with pizza fixings on it. That'll be good. And we got some vanilla ice cream.
No, that's some feta.
Oh, no, that's feta cheese. And tomatoes. And this is a package of cold cuts. Pizza salami, pizza pepperoni and cooked ham. And these are Mark Angelo, and they're sausages, and they're pork sausages with rapini and pear. How do you say that? This cheese.
Parmesan?
No. That says Parmesan?
Parmigiano.
Oh.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Okay. Cheese. So those should be fun to try. There's our vanilla ice cream to have with our strawberries. And we got some cheese stuff for our tacos. I mean our... What are those chips?
Nacho chips.
a red onion for the salad, some sugar for David's coffee. And on this side of the room we have, I bought this popcorn. I thought I'd like to try it. It's called Butterfingers. So, and David got some pork rinds. We got some pierogies that are cheese and potato. Oops. And we got some bananas. And I got some drinks. So I got ginger ale. There's a Canada Dry. Raspberry lemonade ginger ale. I got some of my raspberry tea that I like. And I got some juice. One's grapefruit, one's wild berry. We got some sourdough bread. Dave got 4 chips, 4 bags of chips, both plain and barbecue. They were on 4 for how much? 4 for $5. And there's David's milk. And here's some cream for our legs. Mine are dry. Here's some hand soap that David likes. And we got some extreme beans. Got pickled beans, couple cans of tuna. And I got some Reactin, some allergy pills. Because my allergies are driving me crazy. Reactin and Benadryl. So, that's our grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we're going to enjoy our food. Thanks for watching. Bye.